Welcome to Orozco's Auto Service. Here's what you get with Orozco's Executive Service. We pick up your vehicle at your home or office. We perform the service you request. We wash your car. Then we return your car back to you at your home or office. That's right. With this new service, all you have to do is contact us. Then we will pick up your auto or truck and handle all the service, repairs, and maintenance for you. Now take advantage of this great executive service designed for busy professionals like yourself. You drive it and we will fix it. Orozco's is your premier source for repair and maintenance services, and now we have just made it easier. For more information, go to orozcosautoservice.com and call one of our locations closest to you in Bellflower and Long Beach, California.